So just because this came off, it didn't work anymore, and the water kept going. So see, this part has it attached, and that was the difference with the other one. Right, and it doesn't have it. So hopefully this will solve our situation. Now, a lot of people will say, oh, you know, you didn't take the water out, you didn't do this, you didn't do that. Well, in this situation, you can see very clearly through the water. The water's not muddy, so there's no need for it, okay?